Hi, my name is Dan Deal. I'm representing the Toro company today, and we've got an interesting use for a product that is designed to throw snow off of decks. Very easy to lightweight to handle. It's battery operated, but we have found a great use for it for the farm community, and it's cleaning out grain bins. And we'll be glad to show you how that works in just a minute. But let me explain the batteries. They are a 60 volt patented battery by the Toro company. We have a whole selection of battery operated tools, 75 plus, and we're still building new tools as we go. These batteries work in all of the Toro battery operated products. Anything from the power shovel that we're going to show you to all the snow thrower products, lawn and garden products, and all the handheld trimmers, you name it. All the batteries fit all the units. That's a big difference from our products versus anybody else's in the marketplace. Okay, here's the power head that does all the work for the power shovel. Now what you can use when you go into your grain bin, you can use this, and because it's battery operated, you don't have any fumes or anything like that, and it basically works like this. And that unit will be able to save a lot of work in your grain bins. It's a unique idea for a product that's designed to throw snow, but it will do a great job with your corn and your grain bins. Now, for more information, you can contact your local Toro dealer or look up Toro.com on the internet, and you can find out all about the 60 volt products from the Toro company.